How to fix Facebook crash on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook crash on Android phone. First open settings and then just scroll down until you find your apps and then click on it, and now click apps again and here just type Facebook and you will find it. Click on it and now click force stop and click for stop again and then go to storage, clear cache, and now just go back and try again. And if that doesn't fix your problem, it means that you need to clean some space. Go to storage, click clean up, and now just click clean junk files or cache, or just you can clean it from your gallery. And that's it for today's video. Then just restart your phone and try again, and don't forget like and see you in the next video.